Hey everyone, welcome back to All Things Tech, your go to channel for everything cutting edge in gadgets, gear, and futuristic innovation. But today we're taking a step back in time to explore a different kind of technology, the technology of fashion, with a deep dive into the stunning early 19th century empire style court gown that's as much a feat of engineering as it is of elegance. Let's start with the design. This dress follows the iconic empire silhouette where the waistline sits just below the bust, creating a graceful flowing form. The base fabric is a crisp white, acting like a smooth car body ready for customization, and it's richly embroidered with golden threads around the sleeves, hem, and borders, giving it that royal finishing touch that demands attention. Now, the real showstopper, the dark green velvet train. This isn't just a decorative flourish, it's the fashion equivalent of a luxury car's rear wing, attached at the shoulders and sweeping dramatically to the floor. The train is embroidered with intricate gold floral patterns that shine with movement. It's more than fabric, it's presence, elegance, and legacy, all stitched into one breathtaking detail. Let's talk about interior features. While we can't see inside this gown, the original construction would likely include layers of silk and cotton designed for both structure and comfort. It's a bit like premium leather interiors in a high end car, hidden from view but crucial for the overall experience. When it comes to performance, this dress wasn't made for running or action, it was made for impact. Every detail from the puffed short sleeves to the square neckline allows for grace and ease of movement while amplifying the regal aesthetic. Think of it like performance design that enhances visibility, comfort, and flow without compromising style. And what makes this dress truly unique is its ability to merge minimalism with extravagance. The empire waist and clean silhouette offer simplicity, while the gold embroidery and rich velvet train add depth, luxury, and symbolism. This dress wasn't just about looking good, it was about signaling power, status, and cultural significance in its era. So, whether you are into futuristic machines or timeless masterpieces, this dress is proof that design and innovation come in all forms, even in silk, velvet, and golden thread. Thanks for tuning in, and if you liked this historic tech breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment on what classic masterpiece you want us to explore next, right here on All Things Tech.